I have here a DHK Zombie 8E monster truck. I bought this from gearbest.com I think around 6 months ago. I've been using this a lot and I really liked it. It is very durable. No parts has been broken as we speak. However, after 6 months I kind of got tired of the body. The looks is not so bad, but I wanted something wherein the wheels is a little bit inside the body itself. So I decided to create my own body out of boxes and whatever I have here at home. So I'm a hobby. I like RC. I am an enthusiast for RC. Now, let's look at the car itself. It has a lot of aluminum upgrades, so you don't really need to buy extra parts. The only thing I changed from here is the ESC that I relocated to the front side of the car with uh, some zip ties. And I also relocated the switch button from where was it before? I think from this part to the front part. I also have here some speakers for a sound simulation. It's from GT Power. I bought this from asiatees.com. Now, the car itself is very good. No issues, no complaints at all. And as you can see, I've used this a lot. Scratches and abuse from me running it at crazy speeds. And my mission now is to create or build a new body out of cardboards, boxes, and reinforce it with some tapes to replace this original Lexan body. I've seen this H1 Hummer model in the internet and decided to select this as the inspiration for the custom made body that I am about to create. So here are my raw materials, some boxes, and other small boxes available.
Need some boxes. This is just one of the boxes that I have, right? Some other tools. So we need obviously a cutter. Right? We need a scissor. Ooh, there's a big scissor. We need some tapes. This is electric tape, and this tape. We need some pencils, a hobby knife. Be careful, children. Be careful with this. They are very sharp and don't work with this alone. Have your parents or your big brothers or sisters help you with this. Some markers, more markers, a smaller scissor, a ruler, a glue stick, a glue gun, and a couple of other glue sticks. Right, so this is a 3 dirham glue sticks. Basically, you will have like 4 or 5 of these for 3 dirhams at where did I bought this? This is I think from Aldi's Food Center. Alright, with all of these ingredients, all of these things, we have the boxes and we are ready to go.
Drum rolls, please. There you go. We have now our car, an H1 Hummer that even looks like a military truck. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the whole making process because I wasn't planning that time to create a YouTube channel. But as you can see from this car, this is covered in gray duct tape, and those are my drawings or some stickers that I printed. If we look at the internal or in the interior of the car, you will see it's really from a box. I think this is a cavi, not a cavi wipes. I think this is a sensitive wipes box. You can see here these are laminated papers that we've used during the third birthday of our daughter, Ava. And I had a problem with the box because they are so thick that the body post of the RC car will not be able to accommodate that diameter. You see here, it's short, and I will not be able to secure the body pins into the boxes. So I have to make a hole from the box here. This is like this, the rectangle, and put the laminated films into that position. So it's the laminated film is thinner, so I am able to solve that problem. I did the same in the front side. The white ones are foams. I think they are inserts from some of the consumables that we use in the operating room, and they are actually being thrown as garbage. So I took them home and made some use of this. Right, so that's the car. I'm really proud of this creation, of this build, even though it's not perfect, but I am very happy how it turned out. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also tried to use or attempted to use some containers from Subway, this one, but I failed to continue doing that. For you might be asking, how about those glass looking windows or windshield? You know, when you buy something from the mall, they have these covers that are plastic. I have this habit of keeping some of them, thinking that I might be able to use them in the future. So they are actually like Lexan kind of plastics. So I cut them out and put them into this. In addition to that, I had some stickers. I printed them from the internet, like these tail lights and a couple of logos of each one. And in the front side, I have printed some headlights, indicator lights, and this one I've drawn using the marker, the grill, and I really like how this turned out to be. I'm proud of this creation, and one of my friend actually encouraged me to post this as a YouTube video, and here you go.